Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl NicoXOXO, and I want to thank you for tuning in. Today's video going to be about just a basic makeup tutorial, something that you can wear every day without it being dramatic or too light or anything like that. Just a basic makeup look. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix.
Okay, so I had already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and as I mentioned in my previous makeup video, I like my eyebrows to be as natural as possible with its natural arch, because it is naturally arched like this. I don't like it to be so sharp, like in the middle part looking like a box or anything like that. So I like my eyebrows to be as natural. So I went ahead and did it off camera. The foundation that I will be using is Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me Foundation 330 Toffee Caramel. I'll just go ahead and blend all of that in over my eye. If you see me look this way, that's because my mirror is right here. I actually forgot to put my color corrector. Oh my god. Okay, I had forgot to put my color corrector. I only put the color corrector underneath my eyes because like that's like the darkest points on my face. The palette that I use is from Beauty Treats. It just looks like this. It have a lot of different color correctors. We all know like the orange is like for darker spots. So that's what I went ahead and used. So let me go back to putting my foundation. I guess I was just really hoping for this to be like matte, I guess, like, because I thought it was going to be like matte. Like, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe you guys could tell me how to use this foundation. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, how I'm applying it, maybe. You guys just let me know, because once I'm done putting the foundation, I like to go in with, I don't know, what is this, a kabuki brush, whatever, and just blend it in a little bit more in circular motion. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer, which is my fave, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in Fawn. And you know what? I actually need to go ahead and get a lighter concealer, because this color could literally be like a foundation color for me. And I just start to smooth it out like this. Smooth it out. Okay, so once I kind of like flatten it out, I get my blending sponge and I just pat. What I'm using for contouring is Espresso LA Girl Pro. LA Girl Pro Espresso. So now, and you just do just a little line. Just a little line. I really can't look into the damn phone to do this. I'm doing a line right here. Line right there. Blend up here. Blend. And then our nose. You want to go ahead and blend down. Once that blend in, you want to take the other part of the beauty. You want to take the other part of the beauty sponge and just go in like that until it's blend. So now what I'm going to do, everywhere that I contoured at, I'm going to go in with a powder foundation, due to the fact that I used a cream foundation I like to go over where I contour it at with a powder foundation just to seal in the cream foundation. So the palette that I'm using is e.l.f. Contour Palette. I have number, not number, what I'm talking about, number Dark Deep. I really like this palette. Believe it or not, this actually my second time using it. And the first time I used it, I was like, wow, I really like it. I'm messing up. Look at my son that went to sleep on me. He want me, and then he goes to sleep on me. So I'm going to just keep blending this. Okay, so now that I done contoured, this not giving me justice. I thought natural light would give me justice on this. I'm going to go ahead and contour under my eyes with a lighter shade powder. So you can see my contour. Next, I'm going to do setting powder. This is the e.l.f. HD sheer setting powder. Okay, so while I have this baking and setting on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes. So before I put my eyelashes on, and the eyelashes that I will be using is Emma, and I got it from Miss A website, and these are AOA Studio and Emma. Okay, so before I put those eyelashes on, which I already applied the glue, I'm just letting it get a little sticky before I apply. I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara, which they sent me. So thank you, e.l.f., because I actually did need a mascara and they sent me this. So you know what? Let me just do a quick review. I like it. It actually do stretch my eyelashes out. It actually does. Okay. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the lashes. I think the glue set long enough. And there we have it. So I'm going to just go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, so I went ahead and added the other eyelashes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and dust off my setting powder. Oh my God, I think I'm coming down with a cold. Okay. You definitely want to make sure all the powder is wiped off. I'm still seeing some white ashy tone, and that's why I went ahead and mixed it with the brown setting powder that I have. With the brown setting powder that I have. I don't know what is. I really don't know what it is. like, I don't see how you finish my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a light blush, and the blush palette that I will be using is BH Cosmetic. It has these pretty blush colors. I'm gonna just go with something pretty neutral, which gonna be, I'm gonna go ahead and with this color, that color. It's like in between of a brown peachy color. And you want to smile. Okay, so I'm done with that. And you can see a little blush. Let me put this up. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter. Oh, my fanning brush. The highlighter that I'm using is Bake Highlight by e.l.f. Apricot Glow. I've been wanting to get my hands on this for a pretty long time, and I finally went ahead and got it. And e.l.f. sent it out to me, so I really cannot wait to try this out. I cannot use a fanning brush. Oh, look at that. Look at that glow. Look at that glow, you guys. All right, look. Cupid bone. I'm going to do a little bit down my nose. And I'm going to give me a little highlight over here. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Highlight. I love it. Okay. So now I'm going to hurry up and go ahead and do my lips and wrap this up. I feel like I've been filming forever. The lip liner that I'm going to use is called Vintage. I also got this from Miss A. And it's AOA Studios. Okay, you guys, so after I was done with my lips, this is the finishing results. As you can see, I think I found that highlight. I really like this highlight. I love highlights. Sometimes I could pound my face with highlights. It's just, I love highlights. So I really like this look. I definitely can wear this look every day, and so can you. I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you for always tuning in to my videos, showing love, continue to support, continue to, you know, watch my videos and subscribe. Also, I want to thank the ones who have subscribed, and I want to thank the ones who's going to subscribe. It's a lot more to come on my channel. I'm just happy that I have you guys support. I just want to thank you again for watching. Be blessed, and I don't know, be blessed. Okay, bye.